Hey, 10th grade. So far we've made our heading and our cover page. I've shown you an example of an introduction that you can write. I've showed you a complete anatomy and diagram into two parts. There's a anatomy and diagram part 1 and part 2 in Google Classroom. And I showed you how to add the figure 1 and your picture into your report. I gave you some sentence starters for the growing conditions of the pinto bean, the history of the pinto bean. There's some sentence starters, and there's some sentence starters for health applications. I even gave you some examples of topic sentences that you can use and some transition sentences that you can use. So you should have added those sentences in. You need to make sure that you have at least 5 to 6 sentences for each section so that you can get your full points. And you need to make sure that you've cited your evidence. For right now, we're using the parentheses with the number inside, and the number matches to your works cited section that you've been adding to. So the very last paragraph, we're going to press enter and be on a new line. We're going to go to center align, and we're going to add conclusion. And in the conclusion, this is all about what you've learned, all about you reflecting on the evidence that you researched. So maybe you start with your topic sentence like you usually do, something easy. Don't make it too hard on yourself. Like, this report has detailed information about pinto bean. Okay. And I'll do a quick spell check. Okay. I have described, just kind of go and talk about what you did. I described the parts of the plant and the growing conditions needed for survival. I have revealed the history and beauty secrets, not beauty secrets, maybe health secrets. Hidden by this little bean. And then, so you've reviewed some of the information that you said. Now let's reflect on it. Maybe something like, because of this report, I will never look at pinto beans the same way again. Okay. Something of that nature. And then you'll need maybe 2 or 3 more sentences. And then one more sentence. And then last sentence. You come up with that on your own. As you can see that the conclusion is all review information. You don't have to cite anything in your conclusion. You're not talking about anything new. You want to make sure that it matches the rest of your report. It's left aligned, it's double spaced, it's got Times New Roman, it's size 12, the font is black. And next time, I'll show you how to do your works cited section. Okay? Bye, 10th grade.